Hi guys, let's see how to fix this issue of Microsoft Word not opening in Windows 11. So the very first fix is just right click on Start button and click on Settings, and in the left menu click on Apps, and in the right side click on Installed Apps. Now search Office in the search box. Now go to this option and click on three dots. Now click on Modify, and now just choose Quick Repair and click on Repair. Finally click on Repair and it will repair your Microsoft Office. If the app is open, it will close the app and then it will repair. Now if this fix does not work, then the second fix is just search Services. In the search box click on Services. Now search Print Spooler, right click on it and choose Restart. So this is the second fix. Now if this is also not working, let's move to the third fix. Just right click on the Start button and choose Run. You can just type app data person app data person, go to this location, then go to Microsoft and go to Templates. Now here make sure the repair process is complete. Once the repair process is complete, what you have to do, you have to just rename this file Normal.dotm. Okay, just rename it to something else and close and open the Microsoft Word again, and your problem will be fixed. This file will be recreated. So just rename this file to any other name, normal1, old normal, okay, and after that close and open the Word again and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please do like.